Hello everyone, this is going to be a short review of the new Bee Headphone Stand. I was looking for a stand for my new Bose 700 headphone. I have done unboxing for this headphone, check the description section below. But I will be reviewing this headphone soon as well, but I want to try it for a few months first so I can talk honestly about my personal experience. So I wanted a headphone stand for my Bose 700 headphone. There are many options out there. Headphone holder under the desk, holder attached to the desk, and like this one, stand which is obviously on the desk. Again, there are many similar on-desk stands out there and prices really vary. But for me, I wanted a stand with a low profile on my desk. So I found this new Bee headphone stand. It is just under £8 here in the UK, so it's extremely cheap. So I had very little expectation and I wasn't sure whether it can hold the weight of my Bose 700. So here what you get in the box itself. You have the base, and we have the aluminium supporting bar and a flexible headrest. And a small gift is like something you can attach to your phone. It is useless for me, but it's a gift, so no complaint. To be honest, I didn't like the logo on the base, so big. I would rather keep the logo at the bottom of the stand and keep the stand nice and elegant. It's very easy to put together, a few seconds really. It's extremely light, and this headrest is soft and flexible. I like the color of it, but now I'm not sure. Perhaps I should have gone for the black to match my Bose 700, or perhaps I should have gone for the lighter color of the Bose 700. Anyway, it's very nice, so you can charge your headphone while it is on the stand. It is very light, but it seemed to hold my Bose 700 for now. We will see whether it still holds in the next few months. But for the price, I think it's definitely worth it, and I would say I'm very happy with it. If you like the contents of this channel, please like and subscribe. It will help me create more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.